Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the plugin called ArenaFutbol, aka soccer. This plugin lets players actually play soccer in Minecraft, and players can also form their own teams. So this is a really cool plugin, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So just click on the link in the description, click download again, and you'll also need another plugin called BattleArena. So make sure you download the latest version of BattleArena also. Once you have those two, just drag them into your plugins folder and start up your server. Once your server started up, you can go ahead and go into the ArenaFutbol folder. You should see a config.yml. Go ahead and right click on this and hit edit with Notepad or Notepad++. So here's where you can change a couple settings. Particles, this is a really cool effect that you can have in your game. So I would definitely change this to true. And you can change anything else such as the pitch. The pitch is basically how high the ball will be kicked into the air. So it'll be kicked 15 degrees high into the air. And then the max kick would be kicking it straight up into the air 90 degrees. So if you don't want it going so high, you can change the max pitch down to like 30. And you can also change the power of the kick and the ball timer. The ball timer is the amount of seconds a player has to wait after the goal has been scored before kicking the ball again. So you can change that in seconds. Once you're done, just hit save. And you can change anything else in this, but it's really self-explanatory, so we're going to go ahead and create our arena. So head on to Minecraft. So once you're in a Minecraft server, you're going to need a soccer field, of course, and one side is going to have to be blue and the other side is going to have to be red, which that means there's going to be a red and blue team. And you're going to also need to indicate where the center of your field is, or at least know where the center of your field is. Once you got that, we're going to go ahead and get started with the commands. So the first command that we're going to be typing is going to create the arena and also going to set the spawn for the red team. So it's going to do both those things, but just make sure that you're standing somewhere where you want your red teammates to spawn at. So once you're there, we're going to type /fb create and then type the name of the game that you want to call it, or the arena name. So I'm just going to call mine tutorial and then hit enter. So as you can see, it created the game tutorial and it also set the spawn for the first team, which is the red team. Now we're going to go over to the blue side and set the team spawn for the blue team. So just stand anywhere where you want your blue team to spawn at. Then type the command /fb, alter the arena name, and then 2. Alright, so the blue team spawn is set. Now we're going to fly to the middle of our field, and this is where the ball is going to be spawned at. So stand there and type /fb, alter the arena name, and then 3. So hit enter, and now we are going to set our goals. So if we go over to the red side of the field, the goal for the red team is actually on the blue side because that's the goal that we're going to be shooting in. So for the red team's goal, basically on the blue side, it needs to be stone blocks on the floor of the goal and wooden pressure plates on top of it. So basically, wherever the ball can fly inside of the goal, just make sure that you have stone blocks that are beneath wooden pressure plates. So it should look something like that, just wherever the ball can fly in. And now we're going to set the goal for the blue team. So basically, it's going to be on the red side because that's the side that we're going to be shooting on. And it's almost the same thing, except we're going to have cobblestone blocks instead of stone blocks. So like I said before, wherever the ball can fly in, just make sure you have cobblestone blocks that are underneath wooden pressure plates. Now make sure that you set your goals. They can be however big and however wide you want. So the last thing that we're going to do is we're going to set the signs. The first sign is going to be to join the game or the arena. On the first line, we're just going to type football, 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 football. There we go. And on the second line, we're going to type join. And on the third line, we're going to type the arena name. And if you want them to just join any random arena, then don't put the arena name on the third line, just leave it blank. And then there we go, they can join like that. And for a leave sign, we're going to type football, and then on the second line, we're going to type leave, and then hit done. Now they can click on that to leave. And for the third sign, it's going to be to join a specific team, either blue or red, or any other team. So on the first line it's going to be football, on the second line it's going to be join, on the third line it's going to be the team color or team name. So you can put either red or blue, create another sign with another team name. So that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and liked it. Hopefully you guys add this to your server. And if you did like it, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Alright, peace out guys.
Fashionably late, I'm last in. I play the cards, time to cash in. All the girls here is looking like Maxim. Movie star like, so it's lights, camera, action. So let me direct, only one word, man.